Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can screenshot capture a website to convert it into a PDF file on CloudConvert. So let us dive into this. So navigate to CloudConvert and log into your account. And there is this screenshot feature you can access via tools here at the top. Then here below capture websites, choose save website as PDF, but you can also capture it as a PNG screenshot or JPEG. That's up to you. So I will go with the first option, save website as PDF. And what you will need to do, guys, is enter the URL address of the given website. So let me go with google.com, enter it here, press add URL, and then select the file type here. Like as previously mentioned, you can go with JPEG, PNG screenshot, or a document in PDF, and click into capture website there. Now, I have reached my daily limit already, can't do this, convert that file anymore, but that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.